After watching this wealthy affiliate review video, you will know exactly what wealthy affiliate really is. Is a wealthy affiliate worth it? Is wealthy affiliate a scam? No, wealthy affiliate is not a scam. Wealthy Affiliate is an online training platform that offers courses on affiliate marketing. The platform was founded in 2005 by Kyle Loudon and Carson Link. Both the founders had years of experience in internet marketing, blogging, and other aspects of making money online. If you like the Wealthy Affiliate platform and want to try out, you can simply go to link in the description to sign up for free membership. Let's start with 10 things you should know to start with a wealthy affiliate. First, it's about writing and blogging. If you like to write articles and you are looking for a long-term platform solution to make money, Wealthy Affiliate is a great place to start. Choose your niche to write. This could be anything, really. For example, writing traveling articles. The more specific your niche is, the easier it will be to make money because of less competition. Second, set up website and start content creation. Set up your website and start writing articles about questions and topics that people are searching for online. Wealthy Affiliate platform offers other tools for website building, marketing research, domain registration, etc. to help you to set up your online business. Third, optimize your article through keywords. After writing articles, you should optimize your articles for certain keywords so that search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo will rank your articles high in search. That's how people find your blog and how your website will actually get traffic. This platform teaches you about increasing website traffic organically using search engine optimization. Fourth, make money with your website. In order to make money with your website, you will have to include affiliate links in your articles. Start looking for products that relate to your articles. For example, airlines and hotel affiliations links in case of travel. Then you sign up for the affiliate program of these products and you will get a special link, so-called affiliate link, that you can include in your articles. So, when someone clicks your affiliate link and buy the product, you will get a commission. And that's actually what a wealthy affiliate teaches. Fifth, training program. Wealthy Affiliate is a training platform that teaches you how to make money, blogging, and creating a niche website of your own. The basic training consists of 5 courses, and each course has 10 lessons. These lessons consist of explanations, case studies, videos, and step-by-step instructions. You will get tasks in each lesson, so you can implement what you learned right away. After you finish a task, you can pick it as complete and move on to the next one. Sixth, community-driven platform. Wealthy Affiliate has grown to become a community of more than 1.4 million members comprising internet entrepreneurs and marketers. The helpful and responsive community distinguishes Wealthy Affiliate from other affiliate training programs. Being a community-driven platform, providing a seamless experiences for members is integrated with its core principle. You will quickly notice that the whole platform is designed so that people can help each other out easily. Under each training lessons, there is a discussion section that you can use to ask questions and get help from the Wealthy Affiliate community. You can add people as friends, join discussions, or write blog posts for the wealthy affiliate community. There is also a live chat box that can use to ask questions and get instant help from experienced members. Seventh, the platform. Wealthy affiliates have their own website hosting, website builder, keyword research tools, thousands of themes for your website, pretty much every tool you need to build your blog so you can save money by not paying for third-party softwares and services like hosting, keyword research, or website builders. 8. Affordable and different membership options. I want to quickly talk about the two membership options on Wealthy Affiliate. There is the free membership and the premium membership. You can find a link in the description to sign up for a free membership. When you join Wealthy Affiliate by signing up with your email address, you are automatically a free member and you have access to the first 10 lessons of the main course. You can also start building your first website with this free membership. In the first 7 days, you have then the possibility to upgrade to a premium membership for $19 instead of $50 for the first month. With this premium membership, you unlock all the rest of the training and you have access to live and instant support. You also get a lot more tools and service for your website. 9th, how much money you can make with a Wealthy Affiliate. I looked at a few success stories to get an idea what is possible here, and there are quite a lot of these stories. Some of them are making over $10,000 per month with their websites. 10th, it takes work and time. I think it is important to know that the results take months or even years and certainly don't happen overnight. So if you are looking to get rich quick, I don't recommend you join Wealthy Affiliate because what they teach is how to build a long-term and sustainable online business, and that takes work and time. I actually recommend Wealthy Affiliate to someone who wants to start making money online. In my opinion, it is one of the very few legit programs out there that actually teach you how to build a sustainable online business. It is completely free to start and see for yourself if this is the right thing for you. You can go to link in the description to sign up for a free membership.